Beautiful outdoor spaces designed by landscape architects and engineers are brought to life with Unilock pavers and walls. Through creative reimagining of the built and natural environment, parks, plazas, streetscapes, roof decks, and more are created for communities all across North America. Dive into the projects section of the Unilock commercial website to explore a vast array of designs and be inspired by our precedent projects. To begin, click the Projects tab at the top of the page. This is where you can view a full list of our project profiles. If you would prefer to browse our projects on a full-scale map, toggle to Map View. Here, each red pin represents a distinct project profile. In either List View or Map View, use the sidebar filter to narrow down the projects that are displayed. You can tailor your search by location, application, project type, product, and style. If you're simply looking to be inspired, click the Just Inspire Me button to be shown a collage of randomly selected, unique projects. When you find a project that sparks interest, click to learn more. This will take you to that specific project profile where you can explore details and a photo gallery. Click to view the project on a map, browse a list of products used, and find similar projects. If you have any questions about our precedent projects, please contact your local Unilock representative.